morning, students. How are you all? Hope all are fine. Today we are going to learn chapter 11, perimeter and area. Do you remember perimeter and area? In last class we learned about it in 6th standard. Now look here. What is this? This is a square. Speciality of square is all sides are equal. All sides are equal. So what is mean by perimeter? Perimeter is the total length of the boundary. Boundary means this side. The total length of the boundary is called its perimeter. So perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. In 6th standard we already learned. Then area. What is mean by area? So what area is the total portion inside this boundary. This interior portion is the area. So a equation for finding area is side into side. Side into side. So study well. This is rectangle. Rectangle how length, both length have same measurement and breadth have same measurement. Two sides are equal. This length is represented by small letter L and B represented with the breadth. So perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. Total length of this boundary L plus B plus L plus B. That means 2 times L plus B. Then area. Area is the total portion inside this boundary. Area is equal to length into breadth. So exercise 11.1 is based on this square and rectangle, area, perimeter, etc. Take textbook page 208, exercise 11.1, question number 1. Okay, question number 1. The length and the breadth of a rectangular piece of land are 500 meter and 300 meter respectively. Find its area. The cost of the land if 1 meter square of the land costs us rupees 10,000. So here given length and breadth of a rectangular shape piece. Length equal 500 meter and breadth equal 300 meter. We need to find its area. Then we need to find the cost of that land. So first question is find area. So length is given and breadth also given. So it is very easy to find area of a rectangle. So area of a rectangle is equal to L into B. Now substitute L as 500 into breadth 300. Yes, 300. Now multiply. 5 3s are 15. So 15. Then balance these zeros. 4 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 0. So we get the area of this rectangular piece. So its area is 1,50,000 meter square. So next sub question 2. Cost of 1 meter square land is given. That is 10,000. We need to find the total cost of this land. So area into cost of 1 meter square land, we get total cost of this land. Understood? Area into cost of 1 meter square land, we get the total cost of this land. So total cost is equal to 1,50,000 into 10,000. 10,000 is the cost of 1 meter square land. So we multiply, we get this much rupees, this much cost for this land. Next question 2. Find the area of a square park whose perimeter is 320 meter. That means a square park is there, its perimeter is 320 meter. We need to find its area. Here how do we find area? Area is equal to side into side. So first we need to find its side measurement. For that, here given a clue. Perimeter is equal to 320. From that, we find its side and then we find its area. Okay. So equation for perimeter is 4 into side. 4 into side. Given 4 into side equal to 320. So we are going to equate both of this. So 4 into side equal to 320. Now side is equal to this constant 4. Constant number 4 is transposed to the right hand side. Okay. So 320 divided by 4. In this side it is multiplication. We transpose this, then its a sign or operation also change. So here multiplication, this multiplication will change when they go to right hand side. So it is division. Now divide 320 by 4. So divide in rough space or workspace, you get 80 meter. 80 meter. Or 8 fours are 32. So 8 fours are 32. You can divide in using mind calculation also. It is very easy. So 8 fours are 32. So here 8 fours 32. Then this 0. So we get 80. Understood? So now we get the side of the square as 80 meter. Now area is equal to side into side is equal to 80 into 80. 8 8s are 64. So answer is 6400 meters square. Next question 3. Find the breadth of a rectangular plot of land if its area is 440 meters square and the length is 22 meter. Also find its perimeter. Here given area of a rectangular plot as 440 meters square and also given its length 22 meter. We need to find its breadth, then find its perimeter. Okay. So here given area 440 meters square and length 22 meter. We need to find breadth. Okay. So let's start. What is the formula for area? Area is equal to length into breadth. This is a rectangle. So area is length into breadth. So length into breadth is equal to 440 meters square. Okay. Now given length. So substitute that value here. 22 into B is equal to 440. Now B is equal to the same way like last question. Transpose this 22 to the right hand side. 440 by 22. Here multiplication. So this side this will become division. So after division we get breadth as 20 meters. So please do division in your workspace. Pause the video, then do division. After continue watching this video. Okay. So we get breadth as 20 meter. Next in question they asked to find the perimeter of this rectangular. So rectangular plot. So perimeter is equal to, what is the formula for finding perimeter? Perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. So substitute the values of length and breadth. So 2 into length is 22. So 22 plus breadth is 20 is equal to 2 into add 22 plus 20 we get 42 and 2 into 42 we get 84 meter. So do multiplication in your workspace. So we get breadth 20 meter and its perimeter as 84 meter. Did you understand? Next question 4. The perimeter of a rectangular sheet is 100 centimeter. Given perimeter of a rectangular sheet is 100 centimeter. If the length is 35 centimeter, find its breadth. Also find the area. So third question in third question they given area and we need to find its breadth. In this question they given perimeter of the rectangular sheet. We need to find its breadth. Then find the area. Okay. So perimeter is 100 centimeter. Length is 35 centimeter. First, what is the formula for finding perimeter? Perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. So 2 into L plus B is equal to 100. Okay. Now L plus B. L plus B is equal to, we transpose these two to the right hand side. So 100 by 2. Here multiplication. So this side comes division. So 100 by 2. Now L plus B is equal to 100 by 2, we get 50. Now given L is equal, L means length. Length is equal 35. So substitute L as 35. 35 plus B is equal to 50. Now B is equal to 50. This is 35 is transposed to the right hand side. Here this is plus addition. So this becomes a subtraction. So transpose, this is minus 35. Now subtract, we get 15. So breadth is equal to 15. So area of rectangle is length into breadth. So length is given as 35 and we now find its breadth as 15. So 35 into 15. Now multiply. Do multiplication in rough space or workspace. So after multiplication we get the area as 525 centimeter square. Now question number 5. The area of a square park is the same as of a rectangular park. That is, given area of a square park is the same as area of a rectangular park. If the side of the square park is 60 meter, given side of a square park as 60 meter and the length of a square park is 90 meter. So square length of the rectangular park is 90 meter. Find the breadth of the rectangular park. We need to find its breadth. So given rectangular park side length 90 meter and square park side 60 meter, and one clue is given as both of same area. So first we are going to find area of this square park. So area of square is equal to side into side. Side is 60 meter, so 60 into 60. 6 6s are 36. So answer is 3600 meters square. Now both have same area. Area of a square park is equal to area of the rectangular park. Now what is the formula for finding area of a rectangle? Is length into breadth. So length into breadth is equal to 3600. Now length we know 90. So substitute that in 90. 90 into breadth B is equal to 3600. Now transpose is 90 to right hand side. B is equal to 3600 by 90. Now divide. After division we get 40 meter. 40 meter as the breadth of the rectangular park. Here division is also very easy. 9 4s are 36. So 40 meter. Okay. Next question 6. A wire is the shape of a rectangle. Here a wire is given as the shape of a rectangle. Its length is 40 centimeter and breadth is 22 centimeter. If the same wire is rebent in the shape of a square, the same wire is rebent as the shape of a square, what will be the measure of each side? We need to find the measure of the side of a square shape. Also find which shape encloses more area. That means find area of a rectangular shape or square shape have more. We need to find that also. So here given square shaped wire, rectangular shaped wire, it is rebent as a square. So here perimeter of both have same, isn't it? Same perimeter. That means rectangle shape wire is rebent as a square. So the length or total length is same for both of them. That means the perimeter of a rectangular shape and square shape are equal. So first we are going to find perimeter of that rectangle shape. So perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Now substitute, given length equal 40 and breadth equal 22. So 2 into 40 plus 22. Now add 40 plus 22, we get 62. That means 2 into 62. Now multiply, we get 124 meter. So rectangle shape have perimeter 124 meter. Okay. Now find its area also. We need to compare area of a rectangle shape and square shape. So here we find area also. Area is equal to length into breadth. Breadth is given 22 and length as 40. So substitute that 40 into 22, we get 880 centimeter square. Now same square shape is bent into same rectangle shape is bent into square shape. So both have same perimeter. So perimeter of square is equal to perimeter of rectangle, that is 124. Then what is the formula for finding perimeter of a square? 4 into side. So 4 into side is equal to 124. Now transpose this 4 to the right hand side. Side is equal to 124 by 4. Now after division we get side as a 31 centimeter. So not a centimeter, meter. Now find its area. Area is equal to side into side. That is 31 into 31. After multiplication we get 961. Now compare area of both the rectangle shape and the square shape. So 961 is greater than 880. 961 is the area of a square. So square have more area than rectangle. Next question 7. The perimeter of a rectangle is 130 centimeter. If the breadth of the rectangle is 30 centimeter, find its length. Also find the area of the rectangle. This question is same method like question number 4. So this is for homework. Perimeter is given as 130. Then breadth is given. In question number 4, length is given. Okay, the same method, both have same method. So question number 7 is for homework. Now question number 8. A door of length 2 meter and breadth 1 meter is fitted in a wall. A door of 2 meter length and 1 meter breadth is fitted in a wall. The length of the wall is 4.5 meter and the breadth is 3.6 meter. Given figure 11.6. In your textbook, left side of the question, there is a figure also. Find the cost of whitewashing the wall. If the rate of whitewashing the wall is rupees 20 per meter square. So we need to find total cost of whitewashing. So cost per meter is 20. First we need to find the total area of this wall. Then that area into rate of per meter square rupees. Then we get the total cost. So first we are going to find area of the wall. So area is equal to L into B. Length, breadth are given. So length equal 4.5, breadth equal 3.6. So 4.5 into 3.6. Now for multiplication of decimal number, we just multiply that number without decimal decimal point, that is 45 into 36. After division, after completion of the division, put point from the right hand side according to the number of digits after points in the question. So here in the question, after point here 1 digit and here also 1 digit. So we need to find, we need to put point after 2 digit from the right hand side. So 60.20. Did you understand? 45 into 36. First do multiplication without decimal points. Then we get 1620. Next, count how many digits after decimal numbers. So here 1 digit and here also 1 digit. So total 2 digit. So put decimal point from the right side. Count 2 digits. Then put decimal point here. That is 16.20. We not whitewash the door, isn't it? All of you know. So we need to area of the wall only. So we need to subtract area of the door from the total area. We already find 16.20. So subtract area of the door from this. From this we get the area of the wall only. So next step is find the area of the door. Door is also in the shape of a rectangle and given its length and breadth. Length and breadth are 2 and 1. So area of the door is equal to length into breadth equal to 2 into 1 equal 2. Now area to be whitewashed. Area to be whitewashed is equal to area of the wall minus area of the door. That is 16.20 minus 2. Now subtraction, decimal numbers, so subtract carefully. 16.20 minus 2. You know subtraction. We get 14.20 as the area of the portion whitewashed. So according to the question, rate per meter square is equal to rupees 20. Now total cost is equal to total area to be whitewashed into cost or rate per meter square. So 14.20 into 20. Now multiplication. Multiplication 1420 into 20. We get 28,400. Now after point here 2 digits. So from the right put 2 points after 2 digits. So 0, 0. After 2 digits we get 284.00. That is cost. Total cost is equal to rupees 284. I given this all full notes with this video. Do homework yourself. You will be give correct answers. So check yourself, your homework is wrong or right, then correct it. Okay, thank you.